Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Georgia on Lake Lanier. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through a Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. It's going to be a beautiful boat. It's going to be great for Lake Lanier. It's going to be great for other lakes and even offshore a little bit. This boat will be powered by a Mercury 300 outboard, and it gives you nice configurations and it allows you to kind of do most of everything with the boat. Back here in the back, you'll notice that you do have a live well that's painted blue, some rod holders, and even on the tower you have a couple more. This back area is unique because there are a couple seats that are hidden on this boat. You do have a seat that will pop up out of here. My favorite seat of all is your backrest. Press of a lever, this will swing down. It's just you and another person. You can now hang out, watch the beautiful sunset, hang out, watch fireworks here on Lanier and other amazing activities. So we move forward, you will have a beautiful setup on the helm. So you are going to have the 9-inch Simrad VHF. You will have the JL audio speaker system, little lockable glove box, windlass anchor system on board, and plenty of switches for accessories, live wells, pumps, lights, all of the necessities on board. Being a 23-foot boat, you will have a little head down below with all of your engine switches, battery switches. And to the bow of this boat, you're going to have another beautiful area up here to sit, entertain, or take off the cushions and have some nice deck space in the front. Right here is going to be your second live well slash fish box. Beautiful storage up underneath. And then, like I said earlier, this is going to be a 23-foot boat with a windlass. We'd love to talk to you about this Boston Whaler and any of the other ones we have on the lot. So when you get a chance, give us a call. My name's Quinn Seagraves, and we'd love to help.